guess you'll be able to create something like that after watching this video. It's almost Halloween, guys. Time for horror movies. So you really want to create horror movies with AI? Well, you are in luck, because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create super creepy, interesting, realistic horror movies with AI. And to be specific, we are going to use a hyper new and advanced free-to-use AI tool. Are you excited yet? Okay, let's dive right in. First of all, we need a good horror story script, so let's hop on our private jet and fly to ChatGPT. Okay, and now ask the following. Please write me a short horror story about zombies. Okay, that is a nice story. Now write the following. Okay, thank you. I want to illustrate this. Please give me scene descriptions for this story so I can create videos out of it with my AI video generator. Okay, nice. But this is optional. I wrote the following prompt next. The scene description should be shorter. It should be a prompt. And instead of saying Marie, you have to describe her, because the AI video generator doesn't know what Marie looks like, etc. Okay, we are almost there. Now write. You cannot say the woman and she, you really need to describe Marie, the woman in each new prompt, and please keep it short. Okay, that is perfect. Now we have 7 prompt scene descriptions for our horror movie, but we are going to tweak them a little bit. So open up a new Google Docs project and paste the scene descriptions from ChatGPT in there. Now, as you can see in the first scene description, it perfectly described our protagonist, Marie. But in the other scenes, it forgot important details. So be sure to put the entire protagonist description in each scene like I am doing right now. Now it is time for the next step. We are going to use the super advanced AI image generator called Minimax Hailuoai. Sign up there and you will get a 3-day free trial. Yes, a bit of a weird name, but it is amazing. Now it is really simple. Simply copy a scene description and paste it in the prompt box. And then press on that generate button. Do this for all the scene descriptions. And you can generate up to 3 videos at the same time. And to be honest, when you first create a new account, then the first 3 generations are quite fast. But after that, you will need to wait like 7 to 9 minutes before it even starts generating the video. And the video generation takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, while the videos are being generated, let's go back to the script that ChatGPT gave us and check if there is anything we've missed. Yes, look, here we have a bit of text someone is saying. So yeah, we need to go to 11 Labs and create some text-to-speech. Okay, I will go to Voices. And delete one voice I do not need in order to be able to add a new voice. Okay, now go to Library and search for a fitting voice. Just preview them all. And when you found the right one, just click on Add and then on Use. Okay, now we just need to add the text here and generate it.
Marie.
But since the voice in our story is whispering, we need to take a different approach. After doing some research, I found out you can write whisper or whispering in parentheses, and then it will sound better. And another way of doing it is write this text before the actually script text. I found this on Reddit. It goes like this.
Okay, now I'm going to speak very, very quietly. Shh. Marie.
And this is the second version of that.
Okay, now I'm going to speak very, very quietly. Shh. Marie.
Okay, not bad. Download it and let's continue. Let's check on our AI video generations. Okay, they are still loading. Let's continue and ask ChatGPT the following. What sound effects are suitable for the story? Okay, great. Now we have a list of sound effects we need to gather in order to make any amazing horror story. And you can find these sound effects simply on YouTube. Just download them. and I am going to use the 4K video downloader because it is nice and easy. And I am lucky, guys, because look here in my FL Studio library, I downloaded a Halloween sound pack in the past. That one will come in handy. Hey guys, look, our first video is ready, let's watch it. That is amazing, let's download it. Okay, now we can put the fourth scene description in queue. While all the other videos are being generated, let's ask ChatGPT the following. What kind of music would be fitting? Okay, nice now. We know what kind of background music we should be looking for. And I simply used the YouTube audio library and searched for horror, and I got amazing results. That YouTube audio library is truly a goldmine. Okay, this took a while, but all the videos have been generated and I've downloaded them all. Now it is time for the editing process. We are, like always, going to use CapCut because it is easy and it gives amazing results. So go ahead and add all the AI videos in chronological order in the timeline. Okay, first of all, I want to add that Marie text-to-speech audio. Now click on the audio and go to Voice Changer and choose a horror-esque audio effect with lots of reverb.
Marie. Marie. Marie.
Okay, now drop all the sound effect in there and change the position, length and volume accordingly. And yes, like I said, I am also going to make use of my FL Studio Halloween sound pack. Okay, and now add the background music and turn the volume down and resize it. And guys, a crucial sound effect I am going to add is the woman breathing sound. This will add realism and suspense. Luckily, I already had them on my laptop, so I could just pull them from there. Now you can also add a transition like this. I just did this to give it a dreamlike flashback effect. Now we are going to remove the watermark. Simply select all the video clips and do a right click and then click on Create Compound Clip. Now duplicate the clip and place it on top. Now go to Effects and search for the blur effect. Place the blur effect on the clip we just pasted on top. Now click on the clip that is on top and go to Mask and select Rectangle. Now modify that rectangle in a way that it is covering the watermark. Okay, amazing. As a final touch, we are going to add some fitting filters to give it a horror movie look. Simply go to Filters and use the search bar to your advantage. Just search for horror, or try out some filters and play with the intensity. In this case I used Midnight, Ghost, Fade and Center Light. Now just export your video in 4K and you are done. Before I am going to show you the end result, here is the outro, and that's it. Now it's up to you. Create amazing, creepy, realistic horror movies with AI and scare your friends and family. Have a lot of fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never ever miss any new videos from me, Mr. Lemon. Swag. Here is the end result.